If you're an adventurous trailblazer searching for a transformative off-road experience, look no further. Get ready to discover the world of electric dirt bikes, a game changer in the world of off-road biking. We've curated a selection of 5 electric dirt bikes that are revolutionizing the way you approach your off-road adventures. Our goal is to provide you with a diverse range of products to cater to various preferences, ensuring you find the ideal option for your adrenaline-fueled escapades. Our journey begins with the remarkable Zero FX, an absolute powerhouse in the realm of electric dirt bikes. This two-wheeled marvel is all about speed and innovation, thanks to its Z-Force 75.5 motor that propels it to a blazing top speed of 85 miles per hour. But what's truly impressive is the 106 Newton-meters of torque it delivers, all while keeping noise levels to a minimum, ensuring you experience the thrill of speed without disturbing the peace. What's more, it features regenerative braking, which means that when you squeeze those brakes, the energy goes right back into the battery, and it charges up using a standard 110-volt household outlet, making it incredibly convenient. You can even connect it to the Zero Motorcycles app to customize its performance to your liking. It's a perfect blend of adrenaline and innovation. Moving on to the key features, the Zero FX boasts a top speed of 85 miles per hour, a 91-mile range on a single charge, a quick 1.5-hour charging time, and an exceptional suspension system. On the upside, it offers an efficient brake system, an appealing design, and straightforward charging. And in case you're wondering about the price, you can find the Zero FX on the official Zero Motorcycles website for $11,995. Our next contender is the SUR-RON Electric X dirt bike, designed with beginners in mind who seek quality control and a smooth ride. What sets this bike apart are its 2 different modes, Sport and Standard, catering to various speed and reliability preferences. It's powered by a 60-volt battery that charges in just 3.5 hours, providing you with the freedom to cover up to 60 miles on a single charge. This bike is tailored for off-road enthusiasts, featuring a robust suspension system that makes it ideal for trail riding. Weighing in at only 123 pounds, it's incredibly agile and versatile. It offers a torque of 39 Newton-meters and a top speed of approximately 47 miles per hour. It also offers a powerful suspension system, an LCD dash, and a convenient USB charger point. As for the price, you can grab the SUR-RON Electric X dirt bike on the official SUR-RON website for $4,350. Now, let's dive into the KALK, a dirt bike tailor-made for pro riders seeking high torque and exceptional power support. What sets this dirt bike apart is its digital presetting, offering 3 unique riding modes: Standard, Excite for trail riding, and Excel for maximum torque. But what truly catches the eye is its sleek and stylish design. It takes just an hour and a half to reach an 80% charge, and with its aluminum frame, 24-inch wheels, and adjustable suspension, you'll experience unparalleled versatility and durability. Weighing in at around 152 pounds, it boasts a top speed of 60 miles per hour. The brand takes pride in its acceleration and torque, offering a great control system and an impressive design. Our next contender is the KUBERG Ranger, a superb choice for off-road enthusiasts seeking a smooth and convenient riding experience. What sets the KUBERG Ranger apart is its air-suspended seat mechanism, which folds down when not in use, adding to its convenience and portability. The suspension system is incredibly powerful, ensuring a smoother ride on any terrain. This bike is powered by an 8 kilowatt-hour or a 14 kilowatt-hour electric motor, with a top speed of 50 miles per hour, depending on the model. It features a twin battery setup, offering a range of around 62 miles in eco mode. Key features include a waterproof charging connector, an upgraded powerful motor system, and a low center of gravity design. As for the price, you can find the KUBERG Ranger on KUBERG's official website for $5,508.45. Last but not least, we have the SEGWAY Dirt EBIKE X260, a unique take on electric dirt bikes that breaks away from traditional gas-powered designs. This electric dirt bike offers an impressive 74.6-mile range and a top speed of 46.6 miles per hour. And it features a swappable battery system that extends your riding range even further. Weighing in at only 123.3 pounds, it supports a payload of up to 220.5 pounds, making it a versatile choice. This e-bike offers 3 speed settings catering to both experienced and novice riders. If you're on a budget and still want a durable electric dirt bike, this could be your ideal choice. Key features include a super shock reduction system and a 4-hour charging time. When it comes to the price, you can find the SEGWAY Dirt e-bike X260 on Segway's official website for $6,499.99. With that being said, don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details. If you enjoyed this video and found the perfect electric bike for you, hit that like button and subscribe for more thrilling content. Until next time,